Hello, unpredictable vowel team friends, and you are going to be working with me on some of the unpredictable vowels. However, you will be still going over some of the predictable vowels in here as well. Good review. We are going to be looking at some of the unpredictable vowels, and I'll be teaching you some of the lessons as we go along. There are 10 worksheets in all in this activity. So when you are working through it, if you are having some difficulties trying to find as you're clicking down here, if you're clicking and you notice that, hey, it's not going any further, then you can go down to your menu down here, open it up, and then down here where the little arrows are, show you where you can go next. Okay, so then you can keep scrolling down to like 11, 12, because all through there are like 10 worksheets and there are 117 questions that you need to answer. All right, so let's get started on what we need to do here. The first one we're going to look at is the diphthongs, the vowel teams O, U, and O, W. Now, if you remember correctly, that the O, W, and O, U can have several different sounds depending on the word. And I have these little sayings to help you remember what sound does O, U, and O, W make. So the O, U can make a your cousin is loud for you. So now let's take a look at what that really means. So in the your word right here, if you're looking at your, that is a long O. So you have a long O sound in your. Okay? Cousin, is going to be a short O. Loud, ow, that's going to be the OW sound for OU. And then U, is the short OO sound. Okay, so there's 4 different sounds that OU can make. It can make the long O, short O, the ow, and the oo sound. Okay, your cousin is loud for you. That's the phrase that you need to remember to say, hey, OU can say 4 different sounds. Okay, the OW sound makes 2 sounds. You have the ow sound, ow, and then you have the O, so O, and the ow. O, and the ow sound. Okay? So O, and then you have the ow. So slow cow. Ow, O, and ow are the 2 sounds that you have there. So when you're looking at this worksheet here, it's saying that you are looking for the ow sound in each row and write those words on the line. The ow sound can be spelled with the letters OU or OW. Absolutely right. It just depends on how it's spelled. So you kind of have to play around with the sounds. Sore, socks, sound. Because sometimes the OU can make a long O. Is that going to be or it can make a short O, und. Nope, that's not correct. Sound. And then you could also make the short oo sound, soon. It would not be correct. So you kind of have to play with those sounds a little bit with the words, especially when you're working with them. So this one's saying the ow sound can be spelled with the letters OU or OW, count and town. So then you need to go through and look at what words sound correct with the owl. Crow, crown, cramp. Shout, shop, shock. Brink, break, brown. Trunk, trout, trail. Scout, score, scrap. Now the next one says that you need to circle these words in the box with the owl sound. Write the words you circle. I just want you to write the words. I don't necessarily think you need to circle them. Answer the clues below. This is a part of your face. Mow, owls. Okay? This is what a wolf does. You have to decide. Slump mouth, howl, woe, trout, cloud, pouch, blob, plow, and you. Those are the words you have to pick from. This is something that you use to hold money. This is something you see in the sky. This is something a farmer does to a field. This is a kind of fish. answer those questions. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. You need to be working on one worksheet a day. 1 to 2 worksheets a day to get through that. So do the worksheets, then do the games. Questions, concerns, let me know.